In this video, I'll show you how to create and find your Twilio Account SID and Auth Token step by step. If you're a complete beginner and have never used Twilio before, don't worry. I'll explain everything in a simple and clear way so you can follow along easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Twilio website. First, open your browser and go to the official Twilio website. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. If you already have an account, click Log In instead. Step 2. Create your Twilio account. To sign up, enter your email address, create a password, verify your email. After that, Twilio may ask you a few questions about how you plan to use the platform. You can select the options that best match your needs. Complete the phone verification process by entering your mobile number and confirming the OTP code. Once verification is done, your Twilio account will be created. Step 3. Access the Twilio console. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Twilio console dashboard. This is where you manage your projects, phone numbers, APIs, and credentials. Step 4. Find your account SID. On the main dashboard screen, you'll see a section called Project Info. Here, you'll find your account SID. It usually starts with the letters AC followed by a long string of letters and numbers. You can click the copy icon next to it to copy it easily. Step 5. Find your Auth Token. Right below the account SID, you'll see the Auth Token. For security reasons, it may be hidden. Click on View to reveal the Auth Token. Then copy it carefully. Important, keep your Auth Token private. Never share it publicly because it gives full access to your Twilio account. Step 6. Regenerate Auth Token. Optional. If you think your Auth Token has been exposed, you can regenerate it. Click on the option to rotate or regenerate the Auth Token inside the console. After regenerating, update the new token in your applications immediately. Extra tip, use API keys for better security. Instead of using your main Auth Token directly in production apps, Twilio also allows you to create API keys for better security. You can generate API keys from the console under the API keys section. This is recommended for live applications. And that's it. That's how you create a Twilio account and find your account SID and Auth Token step by step in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.